forest, land, ocean, sky. These are the wild's habitat. Hello Earth! I am Alexa Gabriel Sisa Abedya and welcome to the wild. Wildlife habitat are areas distributed horizontally and vertically across the landscape that fulfill the needs of a specific wildlife species for the basic requirements of food, water, reproduction, and protection against predators and competitors. We share the Earth with 8 million other species of plants and animals, and we have responsibility to future generations and all living things to protect the environment, so we can all thrive together. And protecting ecosystem and nature means protecting wildlife. Did you know that on 20th day of December 2013, at its 68th session, the United Nations General Assembly proclaimed March 3 as UN World Wildlife Day? It was on the same day in 1973 when the Convention of International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora was signed. This is the day where we celebrate and raise awareness of the world's wild animals and plants. The theme for this year's World Wildlife Day, Recovering Key Species for Ecosystem Restoration, aimed to raise awareness about the conservation status of some of the world's most severely endangered species of wild fauna and flora, and to drive discussion towards imagining and implementing solutions to conserve them. According to the Red List of Threatened Species of the International Union for Conservation of Nature, about 8,400 species of wild animals and plants are critically endangered, while close to 30,000 more are understood to be endangered or vulnerable. Based on these estimates, it is suggested that over 1 million species are threatened with extinction. All life on Earth, including humans, is threatened by continued loss of species habitat and ecosystems. People everywhere rely on wildlife and biodiversity-based resources to meet all our needs, from food to fuel, medicines, housing, and clothing. Millions of people also rely on nature as the source of their livelihoods and economic opportunities. This year's World Wildlife Day focused on the vital needs to reverse the fate of the most critically endangered species, to support the restoration of their habitats and ecosystem, and to encourage humanity's long-term usage of these species. So how can we help in this advocacy? Here are some simple ways. Let's plant trees. And keep informed. I am encouraging everyone, not as a student, but as a citizen of the Earth, to preserve wildlife, so that Earth and its present and future habitats will be grateful.